guys, so today we are doing using only seeds that the golden labs dig up, and I didn't hatch the eggs yet. So yeah, let's hatch the eggs. And guys, nothing happened to my main farm. It's just the same stuff. Come on. Are you serious? I did not get a golden lab. Well, we can put the dog down, okay? The golden lab and the dog are kind of the same. Oh my god, bro. Where's my other egg? I'm so mad right now, bro, but we got a dog at least that can dig some seeds up. And look how gigantic my coconut tree is. Gonna have to wait 10 minutes. So I guess we'll wait 10 minutes. And let's see what this dog digs up. Wait, in case, let's go to the pet shop and buy like some more common eggs. Cause I have like 1 billion. Oh my god, yeah, guys, I don't really get this event. I don't really get it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm literally so mad because I didn't get a golden lab. Oh, he's not taking it. I thought he... We want golden labs. And look at this gigantic tomato. Does anyone want the burning bud? It looks like a tornado, but... Hey, burning bud, do you want my... No, oh my god, why am I talking to the... I meant to talk to the tornado. Hey, tornado, do you want my burning bud? I guess you don't. Okay, no offense, Cleanse Beam, but this kind of looks like you with the hair. Kind of look... Let's get out my magnifying glass. Okay, that's not... Oh my god, that's the biggest Ember Lily I've seen. 4 million? 76 million. See, like, burning buds are not worth... Jindal! Is this admin abuse? No way we're having admin abuse again. Oh my god, it's Gold Jindal! Ain't nowhere, bro. Jindal, restock Elder Strawberries. Or that new seed. Oh my god, I've never... Bro, I'm missing... Okay, let me show you guys the seeds that I'm missing. I'm missing pepper. I'm missing giant pie cone. I'm missing elder strawberry, and I'm missing romancio. I guess that's how you call it. Five more minutes though. Our common egg is ready. I hope it's a golden lap. I want the bunnies because they just eat your stuff for like a little bit shekels. Wait, who should I give it to? I'm gonna give some bunnies. Gonna gift one of these bunnies to someone in the server. Wait. Please. I'm still recording. Like 5 or 6 more minutes. Who should I gift it to? Who's this? I'm gonna see whoever. Dang, that's a giant T-Rex. Yeah, I saw that. That's the first person I saw. I'm gonna gift it to them. Yo, bro, I got a bunny for you. You want a bunny? Oh. Brew. Oh, strawberry seed. Oh, this is actually a good boy. Didn't dig up a carrot. Yeah, 30 strawberry seeds. Let's put the new one, 30th one that we just got. Why is this my bunny? No, I'm not leaving it right there. Stop running, stand still, I got food for you. I don't want you in my garden. No, you're gonna eat all my plants. Yes, I got it. If you guys want that bunny, then comment down below on the short that I just uploaded. If you just 2 more minutes till we hatch the egg. If it's not a golden lap, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my. One more minute, guys. One more minute. Let's hope it's not a bunny. Cause we're oh, the no merchant. they removed the seed. Did they remove grape? No way did they. Ain't no way. Yep, it's right there. Bro, like, my coconut tree is so gigantic. It's so hard to get up there. $20. Beanstalk decays in 5 minutes. What does that do? All my strawberries are done growing. Yes, it's ready. Golden Lab, Golden Lab, Golden Lab. That's what it's supposed to be for the video. Oh my God. Another bunny. Hope we just get a golden lab out of this. But this still counts as a golden lab, but I'm so mad because I'm not getting a golden lab. Wait, guys. I think it's ready now. Oh, carrot seed. Perfect. Another dog. No, I didn't mean to place you down. Oh my God, bro. It just have to. This video was meant for, but I'm changing the thumbnail. The dogs. Dig, my boys. Let's see what you get. If you get me a sugar apple, I'm gonna feed you this burning bud. I'll give you guys some energy so you guys can like. You don't want a carrot? Oh wait, he's digging. Oh, I'll feed it to you because I really want you to die.